In this video, we'll take a quick look at the Long-Term Replacement Forecast Report, how it's built, how to use it, and how it can support your asset management planning. The Long-Term Replacement Forecast Report pulls data directly from the Asset Registry and does not affect other reports. A pre-built pivot table shows the total replacement value by year, which feeds into the bar chart. It gives you a visual overview of your expected capital needs over time. By default, the chart includes all services combined, keeping the view simple and easy to interpret. You can filter the table by service, and the chart will update automatically to reflect your selection. The filter function allows you to display a snapshot of individual or multiple services within a single chart. You can also check the asset registry to filter and view asset costs for a specific year. Make sure to refresh the dashboard so you know the report is pulling in the latest data. For some tips and guidance, check out the notes to the right. Whether you're planning future investments, applying for funding, or updating your asset management plan, this report helps you see the scale and timing of replacement needs across your infrastructure. Use it to support strategic conversations and adapt it to fit the needs of your community.